Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
Hi mommies, with technology, mental stress is also increasing. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary from Kashi, will tell you about mental health in pregnancy and postpartum blues. This word was not really heard during our times, but these days this is becoming a pretty common feature. Let's delve into the mystery of all this. Until a few years ago, mental health was not given adequate attention. I'm sure cases did exist, but we just brushed it aside. But now, with knowledge and awareness, we're definitely taking care of mental health as well. Now, you can support yourself provided you know there is some issue. In India, we have a very good support system, our families. If it is a joint family, it gives you a lot of security. And now, even if you're in a nuclear family with all the freedom that you enjoy, but at the back of the mind, you still have a cushion to fall back on, and that is your family. And during pregnancy, we normally take turns, and the family, your in-laws, your own family, and even your friends come forward to support you. So mental health in India is still at a very basic state as compared to other foreign nations. So we Indians have the best of both worlds. Joint family advantages and nuclear family advantages also, because we are working and we are staying away from our families. Not that we want to, but because of our jobs we are forced to. What you can do to keep yourself happy. Talk about your feelings to a friend, a family member, or your doctor. We doctors are here to listen to you. Try some calming breathing exercises if you feel overwhelmed. Meditation is effortless and doable, so please learn how to meditate. Do physical activity if you can, if your doctor has advised you to. It can definitely improve your mood and help you sleep better. Eat a healthy diet with regular meals. Try to attend antenatal classes to meet other pregnant moms-to-be. It gives you a feel-good factor. And there are certain don'ts which are very important. Do not compare yourself to other pregnant moms-to-be. Everyone's experiences in pregnancy are different. Each pregnancy is different, each individual is different. Do not be afraid to tell your healthcare professionals how you're feeling. They are there to listen and support you. Your feelings should be vent out very comfortably. People are non-judgmental these days, so go ahead and share. Do not use alcohol, cigarettes, or drugs to try and feel better. These can make you feel worse and affect your baby's growth and well-being. Speak to your doctor. It is very important. If there are things that are not working out for you, physically or mentally, they can offer you support. They may offer you a referral to a perinatal mental health service also. Sometimes little counseling can actually find a way out and help you relax better. Now, perinatal means the time you are pregnant and up to 12 months after giving birth. So it is not only during pregnancy that you need support, even after delivery you can need support. Postpartum blues is becoming very common these days. And if you're feeling sad and if things are not improving, a talking therapy might help. There are different types of talking therapies for mental health problems such as depression, anxiety, and obsessive compulsive disorder. And after COVID, we have seen a lot of OCDs. If you decide to take medicine while you're pregnant or breastfeeding, please remember to take advice from your doctor. No self-medication at all. Now, your doctor will tell you the risks and the benefits so that you can decide what is best for you and for your baby. See, ultimately, we're doing everything for a baby. So keeping yourself absolutely happy and sane and comfortable for your baby is also your responsibility and your partner's responsibility. So don't go in too much of medicines. Counseling really helps. Talking to friends really helps. And you can always get back to iMumz for any support that you need. Thank you and namaste.